2011 New Nail Art Foil Gel Kit. Our nail foil gel help you easily and quickly transfer the foil stickers patterns. And then you can DIY your unique nail art design at home and enjoy the DIY fun. Just skip the nail salon and save your time and money. Cool and Creative Nail Design Beetles Foil Gel is natural resin, slight odor, long-lasting, strong adhesion, non-toxic, harmless to skin and nail. It requires LED lamp to dry, 1 to 2 minutes. And it can also apply with colors: gel nail polish, poly nail extension gel, dip powder, acrylic powder, rhinestones or sequins to make dramatic effect. Full-size package 15 megaliters *1 bottles of nail foil gel. Larger capacity can use many times. Along with 10 pieces different foil stickers, 100 cm by 2.5 cm, you can make different nail patterns, such as Christmas patterns, so interesting and funny. Easy application and removal. Apply with built-in brush like other nail polish and being removed easily with nail polish remover. Awesome nail style maker. Great for both professional nail specialist or nail art learner, suitable for nail salons and DIY nail art at home, wonderful gift for your wife, girlfriend, mother or sisters, and excellent for parties, wedding, costume ball, Halloween, Christmas, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Unbelievably easy. Don't mind my dry cuticles, I love the Beetle products. Their gel is so easy to use, so I thought I would give their foil glue a try. My hands are in water 24/7, I am a regional manager for a restaurant, no chipping, hasn't loosened up or lifted. Hands down best ever.